बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher and we are going to read poem. The name of the poem, Another Chance. It is written by Helen Steiner Rice. So students, another means one more and chance means opportunity, यानी कि एक और opportunity. अगर किसी से कोई मिस्टेक हो जाए, कोई गलती हो जाए तो उसको ठीक करने के लिए एक और चांस मिले, एक और मौका मिले, ऑप्शन हो जाए. Students, the title shows this poem is about the different chances in our life. The writer expresses the idea of the people are desiring another chance for the amendments of their mistakes. अगर किसी से कोई मिस्टेक हो जाए तो इसके अंदर डिज़ायर होनी चाहिए कि वो अपने फेलियर को विनिंग्स में चेंज कर सकें. Students, now I am going to read first stanza and also explain the difficult words. How often we wish means want, for another chance to make a fresh beginning. Beginning means starting. A chance to blot out means try to forget our mistakes and change failure into winning. Students, in this poem the poet talks about the people who wishes to get a new chance for our previous failures. He tells to the readers that the most of people always have desire, get the chance for their past things they and wish for another chance. अपने फेलियर को विनिंग में चेंज करने के लिए एक न्यू स्टार्ट लिया जाए और वो न्यू स्टार्ट क्या है? Chance. Now it's the turn of the second stanza, so let's start. It does not take a new day to make a brand new start. Brand new means as new as possible. It means there is no need of a new day to take a new start. It only takes a deep desire. So what is needed there? Deep desire. Desire means strong wish. To try with all our heart, यानी कि पूरी तौर पे स्ट्रगल की जाए, हार्ड वर्क किया जाए, टू लिव अ लिटल बेटर, अपने लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड को बेटर करने के लिए, अपने मिस्टेक्स को ठीक करने के लिए, एंड टू बी ऑलवेज फॉरगिविंग, और ट्राई करना चाहिए कि दूसरों को माफ़ कर दिया जाए, एंड टू ऐड अ लिटल सनशाइन एंड ट्राई टू स्प्रेड सनशाइन अमंग द अदर्स टू द वर्ल्ड इन विच वी आर लिविंग, उस दुनिया में जहाँ पे हम लोग रह रहे हैं. Students, in this stanza the poet says that we should give an extra chance to everyone, as it is all about the matter of the heart. If someone really wants to change things and make it right for the future, then we should let them. We do not need a new day for a new start. What is needed is only our desire within ourselves to try our best to live a better life and forgive those who hurt us. We should also try and spread a little sunshine among others. अगर कोई चाहता है कि इसे एक और चांस दिया जाए कि अपनी मिस्टेक को ठीक कर ले, तो हमें वो चांस देना चाहिए. Now it's the turn of the last one stanza. So never give up in despair. Despair means lost hope. मीन्स कि हमें कभी भी हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए, होप को नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. एंड थिंक दैट यू आर ट्रू मीन्स नेवर थिंक यू हैव लॉस्ट समथिंग फॉर एवर. फॉर देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ टुमारो एंड द होप ऑफ स्टार्टिंग न्यू, क्योंकि हर टुडे के बाद नेक्स्ट डे आता है, टुमारो आता है. Students, finally we should neither lose hope and give up, nor should we think that we are done and that there is nothing more that we can do. There is always a new day ahead that gives the hope of starting something new. Any other chance would not hurt anyone, so no matter what happens, there is always a hope. Hence, new start should be taken from them and should work for the future. जैसे एक स्टूडेंट, एक बच्चा स्टडी को टाइम ना दे, सारा दिन खेलता रहे, देन क्या होगा? उसका जो रिज़ल्ट है वो अच्छा नहीं आएगा ना, मार्क्स कम लेगा. फिर वही स्टूडेंट और बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स से या अपने टीचर से प्रॉमिस करे और उसको चांस दिया जाए, और वो बच्चा क्या करे कि ज़्यादा मेहनत करे, और फिर उसका रिज़ल्ट क्या आएगा? डेफिनेटली वो अच्छे मार्क्स ले लेगा और पास हो जाएगा. यानी कि चांस ने, होप ने, डिज़ायर ने फेलियर को सक्सेस में चेंज कर दिया. Students, now is the turn to solve exercise on workbook. It is on page number 29. So let's start. Poem Another Chance. Dictionary checkerboard. Now the statement is complete the following checkerboard chart by filling in the missing boxes. Take help from a dictionary to know the meanings. Students, dictionary is the book or electronic resource that lists the words alphabetically and gives their meaning. And the part of speech that each of these words belong to. Write meanings according to the context of unit. यानी कि हमें वर्ड्स दिए हैं, इन वर्ड्स की हमने डेफिनेशन बतानी है, यानी कि मीनिंग्स बताने हैं. ये भी बताना है कि किस पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच से बिलोंग कर रहा है, वर्ब है, नाउन है, preposition है, etc. Then we need to make a sentence. First one is wish. Wish is a verb. Verb is an action word. Definition क्या है, meaning क्या है wish का? Desire. And the sentence is I wish to become a doctor. Second is little. Little क्या है? Adjective है. And what is adjective? It describes noun. Definition क्या है little की? Small. Sentence is he has a small but beautiful house. Third one, failure. Failure is a noun. Noun is naming word. Definition, incapable of success, and the sentence is his failure made him desperate. Desperate means having lost all hope. Next one is brand new. Brand new adjective, meaning as new as possible. Sentence, I received a brand new watch as my birthday gift. And the last one word is change. Change is noun, meaning to become something different. In the sentence, stock prices. Stock means store or supply of goods are constantly changing. Now it's the turn of page number 30. All about this poem. Statement is write your review about this poem by filling in the information asked below. First one is title of the poem. What was the title? Another Chance. Written by Helen Steiner Rice. Next is this poem is about, means what is the topic? Never give up and taking a new start to remove our mistakes and to change our failure into success. Next is my feeling about this poem. So what were your feelings? It encourages to make strong efforts to change failure into success. Next one is I think the message of this poem is, यानी कि what is the message? A second chance is very important for everyone, like a chance of success after failure. Maybe अगर फेलियर के बाद एक चांस दिया जाए तो वो जो फेलियर है वो सक्सेस में चेंज हो जाए. My favorite line in the poem, it does not take new day to make a brand new start. Rhyming words in the poem. Rhyming words क्या होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? सेम साउंड वर्ड्स. Beginning, winning. Heart, start. Forgiving, leave. Now is the turn of page number 31. Answer the following questions. They have given us some questions here and we have to give the answers of these questions. Question number 1 is, in the first stanza, the poet says that all of us, we have to complete this sentence. So the answer is wish for a second chance to replace our mistake with success. Question number 2, according to the poet, to make a new start, we need what we need to make a new start. Two options they have given us और two हमने और बतानी है. First and the fourth one they have given us and we need to tell second and third one. To try sincerely, to be forgiving, to have a strong determination to improve ourselves, to be pleasant and cheerful. Question number 3 is, why do we wish for any other chance in life? And the answer to this question is because we always have a strong wish to improve ourselves and other chance gives way to correct our mistakes and overcomes our weakness. Question number 4 is, what message does the poet give us in the last stanza? What was the message of the last stanza? Never give up hope, and if you lose everything in your life, be sure that a better tomorrow is always waiting for you. Question number 5 is, when your father or mother doesn't allow you to do something you really want to do, how do you feel? क्या फील करेंगे आप? कैसे फील करेंगे? I feel bad for a little time. Then I realized that my father is my well-wisher. He takes better decisions for me. Elders are always right. Now page number 32, reading expressions. Now the statement is, let's see if you can read the following facial expressions. Look at the expressions on the boys' faces. In what kind of mood do you think they are? What is it that they might be thinking about? From these pictures we can see the expressions on the boys' faces. The first one is, the expression on boy's face is showing that he is sad due to failure in test. Next one is, in this picture the boy is looking frightened because he saw a spider. And the third one is, the boy is looking very happy and excited because he is showing his result in which he got A grade. Now page number 33, summary of the poem. Statement is, write a short summary of the poem and other chance below. Means we have to sum up the full poem here. So let's start. This beautiful poem is written by Helen Steiner Rice. The poet says that every man wishes to have another chance to turn his failure into success. He says that failure is a stepping stone for success. He desires for another chance for a brand new start. He always forgives others and never gives up. He always takes every day as a new day and never surrenders. He gives message that if you have lost everything in your life, be sure that a better tomorrow will always be waiting for you. Alhamdulillah, we have done our lesson. Hope you will be learning it. Allah Hafiz and